Now you might be tempted in this question, and this is fair enough if you do, to just try some values of n out. So if n is 2, then n cubed plus 3 is 8 plus 3, it's going to be 11. And they're definitely both prime, so we're definitely up to at least 1. Okay, what if we go with 3? Then we get 3 cubed, 27, we then get 30. Okay, that doesn't work. Then we're up to 5. See, it's getting awkward already, but 125 is 5 cubed, add 3 gives 128. Okay, and we seem to be running into a difficulty, and actually it's worth at this point just thinking about this. If n is odd, then n cubed is also odd. An odd times an odd is an odd, so an odd times an odd times an odd is also an odd. But that means that n cubed plus 3 is an odd plus an odd. That's going to be even. And so there's no way, so if n is odd, then n cubed plus 3 even, and this here cannot be prime, because any even number is divisible by 2, except 2 is prime, but there's no way that this could ever equal 2 for a positive value of n. If n is minus 1, then fair enough, but no, otherwise. Then we could just take a quick little, actually, do we even need to take a quick little look? The only even prime is 2. So the only time we care about n being even is when n is 2, and we've already found that one. So the answer has to be 1. If you did follow through on it, though, you'd see when n is even, then n cubed plus 3 would be odd. And so that would be okay, potentially. But like I said, n is even, the only possibility, that the only prime is going to be 2, which does check out, therefore that's our answer. So you might do this question by just trying some out and then seeing that they seem to be even, because you don't want to be doing 7 cubed and 11 cubed and so on. You've got to try and at some point to see a pattern, but ideally try and move to some algebra and get to here, and then it all falls out really. If n is odd, the other one's even, so there's no way you'll ever get both being prime. If n is even, then we're okay. It'll be, well, not okay, but the n cubed plus 3 will be odd, which will potentially be prime, but there's only one of these. That gives us 1 as our answer.